doctors and dentists, welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Saurabh Agrawal from Urizone Education Private Limited. And as we have discussed already in the previous video, what is a roadmap for doctors and dentists from India to Germany. Even along with that, we have also discussed about the two exams, that is the Fachsprachprüfung and Kenntnisprüfung. I have explained everything in the previous video. So guys, you can go and see the previous video and it will going to help you out. So today in this video, we will going to discuss only about why Germany. Like most of the doctors, they called me and they asked me, sir, why you are not promoting US, UK, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand and Australia? Why you are promoting Germany? So today I am going to tell you what benefits you have in Germany which you will not find in any other country or even in English speaking countries. Okay. So first of all, I tell you, Germany is a country in European Union, and Germany, they have opened the doors for non-European doctors, or you can say third country doctors, in 2012. Okay. So since 2012, Germany is inviting doctors and healthcare workers in Germany, and this year they have revised the rules on 1st March 2020. They have revised these rules in order to make more attraction towards doctors and dentists or healthcare workers in Germany. They have made the rules much more easier, immigration laws much more easier, and they have increased the duration of visa. Like before it was, let's say, 1 year, now they are giving for 3 or 4 years, so that you can easily come to the country, Germany, and you can make your degree equivalent to the German doctors or German dentists or German healthcare workers. Okay, so that is called the recognition of your professional qualification, in which you will, what degree you have obtained from your home country, that you have to first recognized in Germany in order to make equivalent to the German doctors or German healthcare system. So for that, they have made the rules much more easier, and they have increased the duration of the visa, and they have also make the laws and rules and regulation much easier as compared to before. So now I am discussing about why Germany. First of all, you may know what is the GDP, gross domestic product. The gross domestic product of Germany is on the 4th position after US, China and Japan. Germany comes on the 4th position. If you check about the HDI, Human Development Index, you will find again Germany on the 4th position. First is Norway, second is Switzerland, and the third is Ireland. You can see still US, UK, Canada, they are not in HDI, and HDI, you can go and see what is HDI, because HDI is more important than GDP, okay, which includes income per capita, how much one person is earning in the country. That is very high in Germany. And you can see all the countries, Switzerland, Norway, Germany, Ireland, they all are European Union. So European Union is having a more possibilities, more capabilities as compared to earning perspective as compared to US, UK or English speaking countries. Okay. So I tell you about the passport also. Everybody thinks that US is the only country who has the strongest passport in the world, but this is wrong. According to the Passport Index 2020, German passport is the strongest passport in the world, by which you can travel to 172 countries visa free or visa on arrival. Okay. In US you will find 160 or 165 countries. Okay. Now I talk about what benefits, other benefits you have as in terms of medical field. First of all, in Germany there is no competition. The doctors or dentists after MBBS or BDS, whomsoever wants to go to Germany, they can go and they can start their post-graduation without any entrance exam. There is no entrance exam. There is just a qualifying exam, that is a Fachsprachprüfung and Kenntnisprüfung, which I have told you before in the previous video. That you have to clear, and you will get a license to practice, and just after that you can start your post-graduation. Okay. So there is no competition. This is just a qualifying exam. Second, you can choose any field, whatever you want. Any field means residency, post-graduation seat. You can choose whatever you want. It depends upon you, it depends upon your choice, how motivated you are, how interested you are, and the hospital will going to take you on the job. It is job on the training, I told you before also. So there is a guarantee of 100% placement in post-graduation. Whomsoever is coming to Germany, they will pass the exam, Fachsprachprüfung, having unlimited attempts, and Kenntnisprüfung, even having 3 attempts. But till yet, since 2012, in my knowledge, nobody have failed in all the 3 attempts. Everybody have passed the exam maximum in the 2nd attempt, and they all are working successfully in Germany. Now I tell you about PR. Like in US green card, US passport, or any other country, Germany gives permanent residence normally after 5 years, let's say after 60 months, okay. But especially for doctors and dentists, the PR will be in just 21 months because they have a blue card, okay. I will make a separate video for the blue card. So the PR will get only in 21 months, and passport normally takes 8 years to get the German passport. But for doctors, I think it's 6 years or less somewhere, but I cannot be sure, okay, because right now I am still not having a German passport, and I will be applying for that, okay. So second and the most important thing, salary. Everybody talks about salary. What will be the salary for doctors or dentists? I tell you, for freshers in 2020 tariff, it is 4,800 euros plus night duties. But the doctors who have experience, the doctors who have already completed their graduation or post-graduation, like after MBBS, who have completed their MD, MS, DM or MCH, or after BDS they have completed MDS program, they have a very good chance, they have a very good possibilities to work in Germany. The doctors who have already completed their post-graduation, the salary will be higher for them because they have lots of experience, they have more degree. For fresher it is 4,800 euros plus night duties, and if you have experience or you have a post-graduation degree, then it will be more. It depends, okay. So these are the things which are very important. Now I am going to talk about social benefits. What social benefits you will get when you will start working in the hospital? First of all, you will get medical insurance. Medical insurance will cover your whole family. You don't have to pay every month. Sorry, you have to pay every month, but there is no limitation of coverage of insurance. Your whole family is covered in that. The second, you will get unemployment benefits. If sometime your employer fired you, okay, in that case the the government will going to take care of you, and they will pay you for your whole family until you find a new job. Third, you will get a child geld, Kindergeld you say. For each child in Germany, the German government pay 300 euros per month, okay. Fourth, you will get old age home, like after retirement you will be getting old age pension, nursing, and it is called as Pflege insurance, Pflegeversicherung. So you will get that also, okay. There is no tuition fees for MDS program or for MD MS program. There is zero tuition fees in Germany. You don't have to pay any tuition fees for your post-graduation program, okay. And your degree is recognized worldwide, in European Union, in Gulf countries, everywhere. You will get 6 weeks casual leaves in a year, paid leaves from the hospital. You will get around 18 months of medical leave on one diagnosis, okay. If you are sick due to some disease, for a particular disease, the medical insurance will going to cover you, and they will going to pay you for next 18 months on one diagnosis, your full salary, okay. Third benefit, you will get maternity leave. For each parent, 3 years of maternity leave will be there, for mother also, for father also, which you can avail until the child gets 6 years of old. So these are the certain benefits. Like I have already covered most of the benefits, 90%, and if you go on my website, you can see all the benefits in a written form on the home page also, and in the medical PG section in residency in Germany. So doctors and dentists, you have a great possibilities, great chance to come to Germany, and you can fulfill your dreams, you can fulfill your all the things, and you can make your career better. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. Please share this video to your friends so that they can also get awareness about Germany. And if you like this video, you can like my video so that I get motivation and I can make more videos for you. Thank you very much, and have a good luck for your future. Thank you. Bye bye.